Good morning, everyone. We are left with the eighth question of exercise 3.2. Let's start question number 8, exercise 3.2. Find two rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 4 by 3. Between 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 3. Before starting this question, let me tell you one thing, that if the question asked is how many rational numbers lie between two rational numbers, the answer is infinite or unlimited. There are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. This type of question you can get in 1 mark questions or in the fill up form. Now, the solution for this question is, first of all, we will write both the rational numbers and see their denominators. The denominators are not same. So our first step is, let's make their denominators same. And that is how? By taking the LCM. The LCM will be 6. And here the numerators will be 3 and 8. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 fours are 8. Now, these two rational numbers can be written as 3 upon 6 and 8 upon 6. These are the rational numbers equivalent to 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 3. Now, these two rational numbers are with the same denominator. Its denominator is 6, its denominator is also 6. Now, between 3 by 6 and 8 by 6, we have 5 rational numbers. We can write any two of them. We have 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6. You can write any two of them. Mind that you will not write 3 by 6 and 8 by 6. These are the boundary rational numbers. We have to write between both of them. So, our answer may be 4 upon 6, 7 upon 6. You may write 5 upon 6 also, 6 upon 6 also. So, we have to write 2, we can write these two. Now, the same type of questions like that, let's do one or two more. You can find 5 rational numbers also. You can find 10 rational numbers also. You can get 20 rational numbers also. The method is same. First step is you have to make their denominator same if they are not same. Now, suppose we are doing find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 10. So, the first step is making the denominator same, taking the help of LCM. 10 divide 5, 2, 2 3s are 6. 10 divide 10, 1, 1 7s are 7. We have got 6 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. Now, between 6 by 10 and 7 by 10, we don't have any rational number that we can write with the denominator 10. But I said it earlier also that between two rational numbers, there are unlimited rational numbers, infinite rational numbers. See how? These two rational numbers can be multiplied by 10 upon 10. If I multiply this rational number 6 by 10 by 10 upon 10, it will not make any difference to these rational numbers because we have done it same in the equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational numbers are those where we can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. The answer we will get, that will be equivalent to 6 by 10. So, by multiplying by 10 upon 10, 6 upon 10, we have got 60 upon 100. Same case here. When we multiply 7 upon 10 by 10 upon 10, we will get 70 upon 100. Now we have 60 by 100 and 70 by 100. we have 10 rational numbers between them, we can write any 5 of them. It may be 61 by 100, 62 by 100, 63 by 100. Like that, you can write 5 rational numbers. If you are asked 7 rational numbers, you can write 7 of them. Here where I have done multiplication by 10 upon 10, here you can do the multiplication by 20 upon 20 also. You can multiply 100 upon 100 also. That depends on you by which you want to multiply. Now, one more example. Suppose we are having the question, find 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1. Here we are not having any denominator. So first step is, we will write them as a rational number. Rational form is P upon Q. That is -2 by 1 and -1 by 1. These are the two rational numbers. Now we have to find 5 rational numbers between both of them. If we see on the number line, we are not having any number between -1 and -2. So we can do the multiplication here by 10 upon 10. Or you can do multiplication by 100 upon 100 also, 50 upon 50 also, 20 upon 20 also. It is -20 by 10. It is -10 by 10. We have 10 rational numbers between both of them. We can write any 5. -11 by 10, -13 by 10, -17 by 10, -16 by 10, -15 by 10. This is the way to write some rational numbers between two rational numbers. One more thing. If you get the question like that, find one rational number between 3 by 7 and 1 upon 14. Let's have this number, these two rational numbers. Here note down that I have written only one rational numbers. When you get the question, find the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, find 7 rational numbers, find 3 rational numbers, find 2 rational numbers or 10 rational numbers between 2. The method is that we have done earlier in 2-3 questions. That first you will make them with the same denominator by taking LCM, and after that, if you are not getting the numbers between them, you can multiply by 10 upon 10 or 5 upon 5 or 100 by 100. But here the sum is, you have to find only one rational number. For finding out the one rational number, the method is different. The method is 1 upon 2 into a plus b. Here a and b are the two rational numbers that are given in the question. Means a is 3 upon 7, b is 1 upon 14. We will solve it. 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. We'll take the LCM. 7 2s are 2, 3s are 6, 14 1s are 1. 1 upon 2 multiply 6 and 1, 7, 7 upon 14. The answer is 7 1s are 7, 14 2s are 28. This is the answer. 7 upon 28 is the only one rational number between 3 by 7 and 1 by 14. There are so many rational numbers between these two, but if we are asked only find one rational number, this is the method that we follow. That is called the average method also. This method is called average method also. I hope I am clear for this question, finding the rational numbers between two rational numbers.